Y'all can't tell me that these are not so freaking gorgeous. I love them. And yes, I'm in here dancing to air music. There's no music in here. But you know when you like your hair and you just start dancing, look in the mirror like, oh, this is cute. That's all I'm doing. But yeah, I really love it. So if you want to see how I do this or how I accomplish this hairstyle, stay tuned. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Part your hair in whichever way you want your hair to be parted, triangle, square, brick, whatever. Then go ahead and section off that parted hair into 3 pieces. And you're gonna go ahead and plait the hair all the way down. Because my hair is prone to breakage, about 1 or 2 inches from the ends of my hair, I do a 2-strand twist. This is the hair I'm using. It's Wavy Bahama locks in 18 inches. And I'm using the color 1B and I use 2 packs. To attach the crochet hair, insert the hook at the base of the plait, put the crochet hook onto the hook and close the latch, slide it through, put the crochet hair at the bottom of the crochet hook, put the end of the crochet hair onto the hook and close it and pull that hair through the loop and pull that crochet hair. Now it's attached and secured at the base. With the crochet hook open, insert it at the beginning of the crochet hair, put your natural hair into the hook and close the latch and pull it through. Go ahead and insert the crochet hook into the middle of the crochet hook, making sure not to snag the crochet hair. Get to where your natural hair begins. Put the natural hair into the crochet hook, close the latch, and pull your natural hair through the crochet hair. Next, pull the crochet hair and you see that it's covered, but you still have the hair left out. So what you're going to do is measure up your natural hair to the crochet hook, insert the crochet hook right there where your natural hair meets, slide the crochet hook all the way up to where your hair is sticking out. Let that hook come out, put your natural hair in the crochet hook, close the latch, and pull the hair through. And just like that, voila, it's magic. You don't see your hair anymore. Now this hairstyle did take me approximately 3 hours. It took me 1 hour to plait all of my natural hair, and then it took me 2 additional hours to attach the crochet hair. And just like that, we are all finished, and I am loving this hairstyle. Now it's time to demonstrate how to take out the faux locks. All you do is pull your natural hair out of the crochet and then begin to unbraid it. Once you're finished unbraiding, the crochet hair will slide right out. I wanted to add some more value to the video, so I decided to show you just a couple of hairstyles that I like to do while wearing my faux locks. You want to start by taking the middle of your hair in the front and placing it all the way back and taking 2 strands on each side of your head, pull them both back and tie into a simple knot. So you're going to take the 4 strands and tie them into a simple knot, just like you're beginning to tie your shoe. And then you're going to take 2 strands, one from each side, and tie another simple knot. This will secure this into place, and you're finished. The next hairstyle is called the crown. That's what I named it. So all you're going to do is single strand twist from the back of your head all the way to the front and then all the way to the back again. And then you're going to keep twisting in the single strand twist all the way to the ends of your hair. Right here, all I'm doing is tucking the ends in. So I'm pulling it up through the twist and then back down through the twist and then up through the twist and back down to the twist until the ends are fully tucked in. And that is it. I love this hairstyle. The crown is very beautiful. Now there is a piece of hair sticking out in the back. I didn't have a mirror, so I wasn't able to tuck it. So obviously if you have a mirror, definitely tuck it. If you did find any value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, have a beautiful day. Wishing you many blessings and good vibes your way. Bye.